Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to solve this star-based problem, that is 2 question mark 3, 3, 5 and 4, and the in middle it's 10, and we have to find the value of this question mark. So what can be the possible way? So in the star type question, either it's cross way, so it's 2 is opposite to 3, 4 is opposite to 3, 5 is also we can say that opposite to 3 in case, but is there any connection with 10? No, because 2 times 3 is 6, 4 times 3 is 12, 5 times 3 is 15. There is no connection of 10 in that. So we can't take this approach. Now the other approach is the sum of the triangles. So this is the first triangle. So here digits are 2, 3 and 5. If I'll do the addition of 2, 3 and 5, it gives us 10. And the left out triangle is 4, 3 and question mark. So 4 plus 3 plus question mark. So 4 plus 3 is 7 and the question mark is what? To get 10. 3. So what replace this question mark? 3. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.